And for today, we're going to talk about the top mistakes that made by homeowner when buying the kitchen cabinet. So the first one obviously is not setting the budget, right? It's not because that you have a tight budget or broad budget. It's not because of that you're rich or not. But as a consumer, we need to be wise, and we don't want to compromise on our kitchen quality on something that, let's say, you spend too much on aesthetics, or you compromise the quality for the aesthetics. So that's why you always need to set the budget for your kitchen cabinet, for the hardware, accessories, and the layout materials. So for the second mistake that homeowner makes, which is ignoring the kitchen layout. Okay, ignoring the kitchen layout. Why is this so important? First, you need to ensure that your kitchens will match the efficiency workflow that you want, right? Measure your kitchen accurately and consider the kitchen work triangle, which is the distance between your stove and sink and refrigerator. This will greatly enhance your kitchen cooking workflow. If you noticing your layout of your kitchen, let's say if you want the L shape, if you want a U shape kitchen layout, you need to understand the size of your kitchen cabinet, the size of your kitchen, and truly customize your kitchen cabinet for your own personal household. It's not like, oh, this is a very pretty kitchen, I want to take that. No, you need to understand that, and practical, both aesthetics and practical is very important for your kitchen. So that's the second common mistake that you must avoid. Stop ignoring your kitchen layout. So when it comes to the third mistakes, I'm going to put it as Okay, this is why. Because we have a lot of like budget material and premium material, but you need to understand that first. You need to understand that is your kitchen cabinet is for wet kitchen or is for dry kitchen. So you cannot use like solid wood for wet kitchen, right? Because it's going to put out the water and then it's going to affect the aesthetic and functionality of the dry kitchen cabinet. So you need to understand what's the usage that you're going to use for your kitchen, and also please do not compromise and buying overly cheap material, right? You're gonna always go for the solid wood or solid plywood. These are kind of like higher level of material that can maintain your kitchen cabinet and ensure the longevity of your kitchen cabinet. Trust me, you don't want to have this kind of problem in the, I need to repair this, I need to repair that in the future. No, it's too much trouble. So just go for premium material and make sure that your kitchen cabinet fits your kitchen usage. So furthermore, the other very important yet very common mistake that's made by homeowner, the fourth one, is neglecting the hardware for your kitchen cabinet. So what is the hardware for your kitchen cabinet? For example, the drawers, the hinges, right? And then the slidings, the rails, and then the soft close ability. All that is very detailed, but a lot of homeowners just tend to neglect it, right? Ignore it, because it will really affect your longevity of your kitchen cabinet. For example, if your kitchen cabinet don't have the soft close hinge, right, it's gonna damage. It's compulsory, it's gonna damage. But if you ensure that your hinge, let's say you're using Bloom, a very high quality hinges that ensure that it's stainless steel and then have the ability of soft close, then you're not gonna damage your kitchen cabinet in the long term. Your hardware accessories, drawer, hinges is always a good quality one to ensure that your kitchen cabinet have the longevity. So when you come to the fifth one, right, a lot of homeowners like to DIY installation their own kitchen cabinet, which is nothing wrong, but you have to understand that the importance of professional installation, right? Okay, you have to understand that the importance of professional installation, because when you are an inexperienced installer in terms of a normal people, right? If you are a normal homeowner, you don't have a lot of experience in customizing your kitchen cabinet. When you try to install the kitchen cabinet, you will have like unpredicted mistakes, unpredicted emergency. Let's say the kitchen layout is wrong. Let's say the hinges is installed in a wrong positions or wrong way, right? But when you spend a little bit more money to include the professional installation, you will not have this kind of problem, especially the layout problem, everything like that. You have a safe, clean, seamless installation experience. So always, if you can, always go for professional installation to ensure that your kitchen cabinet will run very seamlessly in the long run. For the last but not least, the mistake that I see a lot of homeowners made is to So to be honest, typo lah. Okay. Why is it so important? It's because that a lot of people think way too much to increase their aesthetics of the kitchens, right? But in fact, you don't need to spend tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands to make your kitchen look nice. No, you don't need to. As I said, we need to balance the aesthetics and the practical aspect of your kitchen. So by adding some under cabinet lighting like LED strips, right? LED strips and some park light, right? It's gonna be way more better for your kitchen cabinet. Instead of spending way overspending for the floral patterns, everything like that, just add a simple under cabinet lighting. It will make your kitchen looks way more premium. So this is the 6th point, that 6 mistake the homeowner always made, and hopefully this video helped you to buy a better and best kitchen cabinet for your personal ideal kitchen. We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.